we, Brian?
I don't know. Somewhere in the United Kingdom. I think we're London.
London?
Yeah. So it's apparently like some kind of famous city. I think they did a couple things like throughout history, and I don't know.
So we're here at King's Cross. We're here to start our UK adventure, but our bags are not here. So we just got these babies. I don't know what else to say. So I'll just cut to voiceover. Okay, I'll take it from here. Oh hey, it's platform 9 3/4. That's cool. Anyway, our first flight was delayed, which made us miss our connecting flight to London, and we just found out our bags never made it on the plane with us. Love that for us. Oh look, that's where they filmed the exterior shot for King's Cross. Okay, back to other me. What are we doing right now?
Getting close because we don't have any.
And my backpack is just camera equipment. Whoops. So we're in London for our Warner Brothers Harry Potter studio tour, and we got dropped off at the wrong spot. Not me, not Hermione, you. The Warner Brothers Studio Tour London is where the Harry Potter series is filmed, and it's a bit less than an hour north of King's Cross, depending on traffic. It's amazing to take a look behind the movies of our childhood, even if we despise its creator. Well, I don't want to listen to her. It's a super impressive backlot of sets and costumes. You just have to get through a queue and 2 video presentations to get to the big stuff. And there's even a scavenger hunt to find hidden snitches and pixies. There was something different about this studio tour though. Having been to Universal Studios and seeing their version of various sets made it hard to not compare the two. So I will be doing just that in the bottom right corner, where applicable. That before, right?
Yeah.
Dragonfire's got a kick.
I wonder if I enter the Vanishing Cabinet in London, will I come out in Orlando?
Goodbye, friend of Hagrid.
Does it taste like home? Like Universal?
Very close. You can tell if it's the same or not, because I normally get the frozen one.
If you like the Potter films and like to see how movies are made, I would totally recommend this tour. Just make sure to give yourself a few hours to explore. Wait, if I can see it, does that mean... Have we been here before?
I think so.
We've definitely been here before. This looks a little bit more spacious.
Wait, if we go that way, is that the fast pass line?
Well, the single riders are on the corner.
Or that's what I meant, the single rider, yeah.
Single rider.
I know. I should be ashamed of that one.
Oh, this was May 1st.
You
This
sure?
was made like
I
years
thought
ago.
they made the ride before the movie.
Oh, no, they didn't make the ride before the movie.
Oh, wow.
Actually, the movie inspired the ride inspired the movie.
Yeah, that's what I thought, right? Isn't that how that usually works?
Yeah.
You do the ride, then the movie, then the book.
Yes.
In that order.
The ride's supposed to go that way, so I don't know where they're going. Oh yeah, this is home. It's actually a lot wider. The guy's group is. Oh yeah, this is a lot less people than normal. Ollivanders, established in 382 BC. Some window shopping. Wiseacres. All right, I see you. My home store. Weasley's Wizard Weasleys. Fond memories in that place. Quality Quidditch as well. Oh, the cage I usually work in is not here. But the puking girl is. This is so wild. After having worked in Diagon Alley for on and off for 7 years. We sell that and no one buys it. Madam Malkins. By the way, Hogwarts is located in the Scottish Highlands and therefore very relevant to our Highland Games journey. Projections on the castle, just like at Universal Studios, Orlando, Florida. Now we need to continue north and see more real-life filming locations that are not located on a backlot. Siri, remind me to do some research on if Quidditch can be considered a Highland game. Recognize something?
I think we've been here before.
Probably. This is a lot more spacious than we're used to, though.
All those people.
And at the end of the night, it's time to head halfway up to Edinburgh to our hotel in York. It is now past midnight. We are severely underdressed for the 40-degree weather.
Ye old York.
Left luggage? Oh no! That's right, our airline did leave our luggage behind. This video is not sponsored by Primerian.